Now, example 2 from this chapter show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Already we learned that earlier positive even integer, odd integer is in the form of 2q and 2q plus 1. 2q or 2q plus 1. Now, only odd integer. Now, only for odd integer, positive or any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. By Euclid's theorem, Euclid's algorithm, A is equals to bq plus r. It's very easy to identify. In the place of b, what is the value? In the place of r, remainder, what is the value? We may expect that. Okay. How to prove this one is, it is also show that. How to show? By Euclid's algorithm, we know that a is equals to bq plus r. A and b are any positive integers and q r are some integers. A is greater than b, A is the maximum and b is the minimum, q is the quotient, r is the remainder. The condition for the remainder here it is, r value lies between 0 and b, that is 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Now here, if we observe that from the results, we have to take that a is any positive integer. In the place of b, we are having 4. In the place of b, we are having 4, so that in the place of b, we are taking 4. With the help of b4 as 4, in this condition we are observing, that is a equal to 4q plus r. In the place of b4, that is a equals to 4q plus r. Then, what is the r? Then 0, r lies between 0 to 4 because of 0 to b, because of r lies between 0 to b. So that 4 is a b is here 4. Now what are the possible values? Possible values of r. Possible values of r is starting with 0 but not to reach 4. So 0 it's a equal to is there. Here less than or equal to is there. So we have to start with 0. 0. Next number 1, next number 2, next number 3, next number 4, but up to 4, not, there is no equal to, not to take 4. So, up to 3 only, 0, 1, 2, 3, only these possibilities, r equal to 0, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3. These are the 4 possibilities are there, but not to take r value as 4. Because in the condition it is less than 4. Less than 4 means up to 3 only positive integers we will get. Now, first of all, r equal to 0. What happens? Put r equal to 0 in the equation. A equal to 4q plus r. R is 0. A equal to 4q. 4q is written as 2 2s are 4. We can write. Is it? 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2q. 2 2s are 4q. Yes. Now, 2 into something. Already we learned that in the previous video, in the previous example 1. There is a 2 into something. 2 into something is even integer. Now, if suppose r equal to 0 is there, if r equal to 0, what is happening? Even integer. If suppose r equals to 1, substitute r equals to 1 in this condition. A is equals to 4q plus r. A is equals to 4q plus r. In the place of r, is 1 is replaced. Now, a is equals to 4q plus 1. There is no common term in these two terms. This is a one term, this is second term. There is no common term. Therefore, this is odd integer. Something plus 1 is odd integer. Okay. Now, r equals to 2. If r equals to 2, what is happening? R is equals to 2. What is happening? A is equals to 4q plus r. A is equals to 4q plus r. In the place of r, 2. Now, 2 is common from these two terms. By taking 2 common, 2 2s are 4. Q is as is. Plus plus. 2 1s are 2. 2 into something. 2 into something is always integer. Even integer. Now, what about this? A is equals to, if r equals to 3, what's happening? A is equals to 4q plus r. R equals to 3, A is equals to 4q plus 3. Here, 4q plus 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. From these two, 2 can be taken. 2q plus 1 plus 1. Now, this is in the form of, in the previous example 1, 2 into something plus 1. 2 into something plus 1. Therefore, odd integer. Plus 1 should be there. Here also plus 1. Plus 1 is odd integer. Plus 1. 2 into something, 2 into something, 2 into something. plus 1. 2 into something plus 1. So 2 into something plus 1 is odd integer. Okay. Now, which is odd integer? It is asked that positive odd integer. Positive odd integer. Positive odd integer means odd integer 1, 2. Two possibilities are there. When r equal to 1, r equal to 3. What are the results of these? R equals 1. A equal 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. These two are the possibilities. Therefore, any odd integer is of the form two conditions, 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Two possibilities. See, just we have done some part solution to say that whether it is even integer or odd integer. Here even 2 into something is even. 2 into something plus 1. 2 into 2q plus 1 we can write. This is a odd integer. Here, okay, this also can be written. Write this. 2 into 2q plus 1. Okay. Now, this is a, therefore, odd integer. 2 into 2q plus 1. Plus 1 is odd integer. In this bracket, complete bracket is there. Therefore, 2 into something. 2 into something is even integer. 2 into something plus 1 odd integer. Therefore, these are the results. 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. These two are the odd integers. Okay.